Welcome back to Jameson's Repair Shop. Today we're doing the assembly of the parts that I just recently spar urethane. So my wife's going to give me a hand putting these pieces up. And what I did to prep for it, where I had the tape, I went over that area with sandpaper, 220 rather, just to give it a little roughing up. And I also installed 3 screws for pilot holes. Remember, I already pre-drilled the depth of the hole, so these will line up perfectly. That's an advantage of doing the pre-drill, so now you have a guide. Alright, I'll bring you in close, and we'll get at it. We'll get on it. Okay, there it's on.
It's on.
Yeah. What are you doing, Beverly?
Well, we're going to clean up the excess glue that squeezed out the edges so that we don't have a big ugly glue blobs everywhere. But it looks really good. A little bit behind the 2 uprights, but other than that, looks good. It's not sticking to that finish at all.
No, that's what I thought. It would not bond to the urethane very well. So it's.
Yeah, I think as long as we don't let it harden.
Yeah.
If it let harden, we might have to scrape it.
Yeah, but it's good. You got it off.
Good. Yeah.
So we'll pull those. What I'll do is put one of the ends on.
Yep.
We'll put this end on, just dry fit, not glued, to hold this up. And then we can swing these, get rid of those jigs for now. And then we'll put the other side on.
So this one will be there.
Yeah.
So it'll look like this.
You want to do that, Beverly?
I'll just line it up and then we can go back to time lapse maybe so people can see the whole process.
All right, so that's the plan. We're going to put this on dry fit, no glue, just to maintain our squareness. And I just want to mention that I leveled this work table, the base, this morning to get it pretty much perfectly level. It's out just a shade in one spot, but we want it as level as we can. And there's Beverly holding the piece up. So let's get at her.
Let's get out of here.
sides on, and we got the top braces in to hold it. Next task here will be taking these ends back off, gluing them and putting them back on. We got off track here a little bit, made a big boo-boo. One screw poked through. You can see where it's off track. It's too late now to fix it. We'll have to adjust around. So we'll have to, we're going to leave it for now, but we'll have to fix that, get it back down so it looks good. We'll get her, no problem.
It's gonna be painted there anyway, so.
Yeah, that'll be urethane, and it will be painted. Yeah, that's going to be painted. So that's the plan. Pull these off, these ends off, glue them, and put them back on.
Yeah, looking good.
Looking good. Okay, there's Beverly cleaning up the glue. Wow, this looks nice inside.
It'll be pretty comfy.
Yeah, I'll come around to where you are. No more mishaps. We had only the one mishap so far.
So far, so good.
So, yeah, so I'll go by after the glue sets and snug some of those screws down so they're flush, and that'll be their final resting place. These up here are sticking out on these ones, but these are going to be different screws. I'm going to use a flat surface screw on these ones. All the exterior screws from now on that aren't, they won't be countersunk like all these ones. And then these ones down here will all be, as well as these will all be flush mount screws. So that's it. That's the assembly of what we have so far.
Yep.
And now we have some more staining to do, or urethane rather, on these cross braces, the cubby cross braces.
Yeah.
But not until this dries. Let it harden for 24 hours and then we'll go at it. And that's it. What do you think, Beverly? What do you think of it?
Looking good. I think Kate's gonna be real happy.
Yeah.
I think.
Do you think Kate will like the Prairie Dory?
I think so.
All right. Sounds good.